So hi guys, let me teach you how to design an anniversary flyer within anniversary flyer using Pixellab. So as you can see, here is what we are going to achieve. So you can see the actual dimension that was used. So let's go and do it from scratch. So here we go. I'll go to the size and then put the size that we saw, which is 1091. Alright, I will delete this. Okay, the first thing that I will do is I will create a shape, expand the shape. As we already know that the original shape usually blur a little, so I prefer to copy it and then delete the original one. Okay, I'll centralize my work here. I'll centralize it. So I will create a kind of shape which is cyclic shape. I will make it to be black. Yeah. So I will actually increase the height like this. This seems to be good. So you can see, as I said originally, you can see the edge of this shape is actually blur. A kind of blur, is not sharp. So I will just copy it. You can see the one that I copied is actually more sharper. So I will delete this and then I will centralize the shape. Yeah. So what I will do now is I will create a shape again. So in this shape, I will actually do this. Yeah, increase it like this. Yeah. So let me just. So you are actually to work on this because the size also matters. So I will just centralize it. Although let me just copy it and then delete the original one. Let me delete this and then centralize the one that I copied. Yeah, as you can see. So what I will do is I will copy it again. I will centralize it first, and then I will go to my rotate. For those of you who are mathematician, 360 divided by 6. Let's say 60. Yeah, 60. It should be 60. So I will make this one to be minus 60. How does 60 minus 60 sound here? So I will copy it again, centralize it, and then I will make it plus. Since that one is showing minus, so I will make this one to be plus 60. So I'm just going on to explain it for you so that you can understand how I got it. So you can see we have 1 2 3 4 5 6. We have 6 shapes. So what I will do now is I will actually create a cyclic shape again. Something like this. Something like this. Yep. So I may decide to delete the original one and then copy it. The copied one, I will just centralize it. Yeah. So here we go. So what I will do now is I will mesh all my shapes. Mesh them. I didn't match. Okay, let me say match. And then I will go to erase color. And then I will erase the black color. So you can actually see. So I may increase the tolerance with this, depending on how you actually want it. So you can actually see. So now what will happen is I will actually do something. I will go and import all my images. So let me just quickly do that from my gallery. You don't have to see. So as you can see, I imported all the images that I used. So what I will do now is I will hide all of them and then pick them one after another. So the first one, let me go with the first one. Yeah, I'll turn it back to the back. Where is it? Yeah, I'll turn it to the back. So I will just align it the way I want it to appear. So you can actually see the first is actually looking good. So what I will do is I will go to my Max. I know you know how to use Max. Those of you who doesn't know how to use the Max tool, then you can actually watch that from my tutorials. Sorry, let me just retry it again. I'll place this one here also. So I'll just direct it toward here, and then for this one too, I'll just make sure that the line is across the shape that you actually want it to appear. Yeah, so I'll enable it, and then I'll click on out, so you can actually see how I cut this. So I'll go to my, okay, I've already imported, so I don't have to go to anywhere. So I'll go to the second one, which is this. Okay, I mean hide it. Yep. So what I will do, I will turn it to the back. Also to the back. Where you now? Where you do from like this? Okay, it's not the one that I use. So this is the one that I will turn to the back. Okay, you can actually see how it works. So since the other one is hiding it, so this one may be a little bit easier for me to actually capture. So you can actually use the, you can use the eraser to actually achieve this also, but eraser is not as perfect as you may like it. So for eraser, let me just try something. Yeah. So I'm just showing you this. Maybe that one may be hard for you. You can use this method. If that one may be hard for you to achieve, then you can use this method actually. So you can actually see how this method looks like. But me, I prepared the other methods because it's more professional. So me, I have to do the math tool. I have to use this math because I like it. It's more professional because it's cleaner. Eraser is a kind of somehow. So. But I don't know. To you, it may sound like this one is more difficult to achieve. But me, I feel like it's not a matter of difficulty. It's a matter of achieving professionality. Yeah. Although I'm not saying you have to be perfect, but at least try to be perfect. So you can actually see how to achieve this. Also, I will enable it and then out. Yeah, we are good to go. So I will do it for all of the shapes. I will do it for all. So let me quickly go and do it. So here we go with this. I'll lock all of them. Yeah. I'll lock all of them. So what I will do now is I will mesh all. Let me see. Yes, I'm going to match them together. Okay, sorry. Just seems like I have to change the background. Let me see a color that is, because if you can see the color of the shirts at this image here is actually white. So if I use white, then definitely the image may be affected. So let me go and change the color. So let me see. There is a little black. So let me see. Can I use this? Yes, this is looking professional. So let me use green. Yeah, let me mesh them and see how it works. So what I will do now is I will go to erase color. Then I will erase the color of the background. So you can actually see this is looking more good. So if to say I use another color like white, the image may be affected. So you can see this one is actually not affected. So what I will do next is let me log the layer first. I will go to my gallery and then import the background. Let me see. I have the background. Where did I hide it? I have the background. Where did I even hide the background? Okay. I can see it here. So you can actually see the background. I will expand it here. I will increase it. And then what I will do is I will turn it to the back. Yeah, you can actually see I turn it to the back. So I will go and create a shape, which is a cyclic shape. I will decrease the size first. And then I will fix it to what here. I'll fix it to what. Let me see. It's my image. Let me just increase this to setting. So what I will do is I will go to texture and then texture it with one of the image. So I will texture it with this. Image. Let me see. Let me use this. Yeah. So you can actually see how it is textured. So I will just choose a kind of color that will suit in. Although I don't have to, but I will just create a kind of something like this. Yeah, this is okay actually. So I'll go ahead and then where it? Okay, for this, let me just rock it with a kind of good color. Yeah, this is looking somehow. Let me just leave it. Okay, I'll go to inner shadow and then increase the blurring. Yeah, this is perfect. So we are almost done. So I will go and import this image also. So for this image, I'll just copy it. So what's this? Yeah, I will increase the size. Oh, this image is very good to use. Yeah, but it seems like it's looking somehow. So let me just re-import it. Yeah. So let me re-import it. I just fix it right here. Yeah, this is good actually. So I'll go ahead and write the text, which is happy wedding anniversary. Okay, so I'll make them uppercase letters, and then for this what I will do now is I will decrease the size. For the font, I will use neutral regular. As you know, I am used to this neutral regular. So I will change the color to black actually, and then I will go to spacing and then space it up a little bit like this. Yeah, let me just space it up. Then I will decrease the size. Yep. So I will go to style and then make it bolder, and then I will just fix it so that yeah, this is looking good. So now what actually remains is I will create another shape, and then I will write ON. Instead of me to write 1, I will just write ON. So in this, I will just fix it right here. Yeah. I'll just fix it here. And then for the fonts, I'll use Monster Art. Yep. So here we go. Now, what will happen is I'll copy it and then write 0. I mean, O. Okay, O. Let's say O. And then I will increase the size. And then I will fix it here. increase the size. Yeah, I will fix it there. So I will just make this one to be a kind of here, somewhere here. So I will copy the text again and then write 1. Got it? I'll decrease the size and then I will drag it to the down. Yeah, I'll put it inside this 0 here. Yeah, I'm just creating something. So good. So I'll write 1 year. I'll write yeah. I'll just drag it here. Make it of a uppercase letter. And then I will make it a neutral regular. So for the, let me reduce the size. Yeah. So I'll just fix it here. Yeah, I will copy it again, this, and then I will write anniversary. Yeah, uppercase letters. So I will decrease the size. Actually, I'll decrease the size. Yeah, fix it here. Even this year, I will have to decrease the size of this year. Yeah. So as you can see, we are actually good to go with this. So you know, some mistake, you just have to arrange it. So now what will happen is I will copy this and then I will write the falan. So I'll make them uppercase letters, but this one I have to correct it to lowercase letter. So we'll drag it here. So I'll reduce the size. Actually, reduce the size. Let me increase the size. Sorry. Yeah. So for line spacing, I will just decrease it to -5, and then I will just drag it here. So this is alright. This is good. I will go and save my work here. So. As you can see, it's actually 7. So let me it has been saved already. So let me go to my fix art. So we will go to fix art actually. Fix art. So for fix art, I will click on this, edit an image. It will direct me to my gallery. So from this gallery, I will pick the one that I actually saved. Now I am going to create a kind of effect, a very simple effect. I will go to my import, and then what I will import is that background that we actually used. I will just create a kind of effect here. So I will add it. So I will increase the size from here. Then I will just decrease the opacity. Then I will go to blending option, and then I will pick a kind of better blending, which is multiply. So as you can see, multiply has actually popped up the design. So I will save my work here. I don't want any much effects to appear. So I will save my work from here. So it's actually saving. So as you can see, it has been saved. So I will go to Lightroom. There is my Lightroom. Here's it. So Lightroom, as we already know, Lightroom is for enhancement. So let me go to my phone. Yeah, you can see the design here. So you can see the design here actually. So I will click on edit, click on effect. So I will increase this texture a little bit, and then clarity, I will increase the clarity. Yeah, you can see how the design is actually popping. So I will go to details and then increase the sharpening. Make it to be sharp, man. Yeah. For color reduction, I don't have any much color reduction to do. Yeah, you can actually see how the design is actually. So yeah, man. So I will go to light, increase the exposure a little bit, so you can actually see how this thing is actually popping up. So I will decrease this highlight, and for the shadow I will just increase it a little bit as the shadow. Yeah, man. So I can actually save my work from here. So if you actually find this to be very useful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, like and share to your fellow designers so that they will actually be impactful, so that they will actually learn. So thank you very much. You can actually see my design here. You can actually see our design here. You can actually see how it's actually look. Thank you very much for your time. Do have a nice day. Thank you.